Animals communicate using sounds that express different emotions and actions. Each sound carries meaning. A bark may signal excitement, a meow shows attention, and a roar declares power. Understanding animal sounds helps learners connect English words with real-world experiences in nature. Dogs bark to express how they feel. A bark can mean the dog is happy, alert, or trying to protect its home. The word bark represents this sharp and clear sound that dogs use when they want to communicate with humans or other animals. Cats make a sound called meow to talk mainly to people. When a cat meows, it may be asking for food, saying hello, or wanting some attention. The gentle sound of a meow shows that cats use their voice to express comfort or curiosity. A cow makes the sound moo to call her calf or to stay connected with other cows. The soft and deep tone of a moo shows calmness and friendliness. Farmers can often understand their cows by the sound of their moo. Lions roar to show power and to communicate with other lions who live far away. The sound of a roar travels over long distances and helps lions protect their territory. This strong and loud voice is a symbol of leadership in the animal kingdom. Birds chirp to talk to each other, greet the morning, or call their mates. The chirping sound is bright and short, making it easy to recognize. Listening to birds chirp brings a feeling of peace and reminds us how animals share sounds with nature. Bees make a buzzing sound while flying or collecting nectar from flowers. The buzz comes from the fast movement of their wings, which beat many times per second. The word buzz describes energy and activity in the natural world. Dogs bark, cats meow, cows moo, lions roar, birds chirp, and bees buzz. Each sound communicates something special. Learning these animal sounds helps new English learners connect words with real-life sounds and understand the richness of spoken language.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.